Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Thinkorswim account. First, navigate to the official Charles Schwab website, as Thinkorswim is now part of Schwab. Look for the option to open a new account. You'll need to select the type of brokerage account that best suits your trading needs, whether it's an individual, joint, or IRA account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your trading journey. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your personal details. This includes your full name, current address, and date of birth. You'll also need to enter your Social Security number or tax ID for identity verification purposes. Be prepared to upload clear images of identification documents, like a driver's license or state ID, to complete this essential security step accurately. Once your personal details are entered, it's time to fund your account. You can easily link an existing bank account for electronic funds transfers, which is often the quickest method. Other options include initiating a wire transfer or mailing a check. Before final submission, thoroughly review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy and prevent any delays in processing your application. After submitting your application, you'll typically wait a few business days for account approval. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation and instructions. Then, download and install the Thinkorswim trading platform software onto your device. Use your newly created login credentials to access the platform and start exploring its powerful features for your trading activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.